Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Buy a donor car with similar proportions and make sure you have garage space and enough cash. This saves time and prevents backtracking. Once you own the donor, drive straight to Benny's or the closest mod shop. Make immediate visual choices: body kit, front bumper, rear, and roof profile, because those parts define the RS6 look. You do this now to lock in the silhouette before fine-tuning paint and trim. It's faster than swapping parts later. Once the donor has a base kit, focus on proportion. Fit the widest body panels available, add a front splitter and a tight rear diffuser to mimic RS6 aggression. Make sure to lower the ride height and select wheel offset that fills the arches. That visual balance matters more than raw power. Upgrade suspension and brakes to performance parts so appearance and handling match. As you do this, alternate paint layers and metallic trim to reproduce the RS6. You finish by locking visuals. Choose a two-tone finish or deep metallic, fit RS-style alloys, tint the glass, and add small details like black badges and roof rails if possible. Then upgrade engine, transmission, armor if wanted, and ensure the car so it's secure. If something looks off or panels clip, don't panic. Revert to the last kit that worked and replace one component at a time until alignment is correct. Make sure to test drive after each change to confirm the look and handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.